This is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. Firstly, you will need to launch the default camera app, then make sure to enter the photo mode and simply take a picture of whatever document you wanted to scan. I recommend that you make the picture in a way that it occupies the whole viewfinder space and it is well properly aligned and straight, reasonably. Once the picture was successfully taken, you gotta open it like that. Then open the More menu, go for the Print or Export as PDF option. Then once the Print Preview page opens, in here you can, for example, make it black and white like that. And then once you're ready to save your PDF file or save your document as a PDF file, simply tap over here, choose the Save as PDF option. Then you can change the storage path that this document will be saved to. Once you're ready to save it, hit the checkmark icon, wait a few seconds until it gets actually saved. And well, here is the result. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.